2. And Huxley's going to put them together. Yeah? And this one like brand new, see? Brand new. And brand new.
Brand new.
Yeah, brand new. And this is the instruction. Hopefully we will get like this after. We? Yeah? Yeah, don't kill it now. So should I put them this one and don't separate them because we'll struggle to find it later. So that's the part. Yeah? This one is the other part. See?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. And then we will give them updates one. Oh no, don't put them together. I'll put them all in one different boxes. And then you read that. Okay. We'll see. I'm going to stop it. Wait. Just give me. You read that. We have a look at it. Let's see if we manage to arrange it, and then we'll give them updates if we arrange it. Yeah, to move you might. And this one, I'm going to put this in here. Yeah? This one. So don't mix them together though. And this is the head. This will be our final. And this is the sticker. See? And then hopefully we will come up to this one. Yeah?
Yeah.
So we can start. Wait. We have to stop it now. Starting to put all the Legos now. It's only very simple. This one here. And Hox is starting it now. See? You show me what you done so far. And we started that. I think it's 15 past 1. So let's see how long Huxley can finish all this. And then if we finish this one, there will be another Lego. Doesn't it, babe? Yeah? This one here. See? Yay! Hey, Hux. Right. Show what you got so far. Show. Lift it up. Yeah, that's beautiful. Look. Wow. So how long did you do it? Did we start? It's nearly an hour. Yeah? It's good, yeah? You happy?
Yeah.
Okay, what can you say? Is it hard?
No.
Do you enjoy it though?
Yes.
Oh, that's good. That's very good. Today.
Can I push this in?
It's okay.
You push it in. You do just push this in. No.
Wow. What was that?
Star Wars.
Yeah, this is a spare parts, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. That one, see? Did it look good?